Okay, sir.
Noted, sir.
Okay, no, see, I will. Okay. Now I give the live as well. Can, oh, you see my screen, right?
Yes,
Now you
sir.
can see it. So here in SAP Web App on all the below topics.
Sir, your voice. Sir, your voice is not clear, sir. Hello?
Very fast. Now it is okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Yes, no power was not there. Now came back. Maybe 1 second. So you see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll write all these points. New ABAP syntax, expertise in SAP ABAP on all new below topics. New ABAP syntax, CDS, all types of CDS fields. Application of CDS views in ABAP programs as a data source. Write this terminology. So it will be very effective. Okay, na? This terminology will be more effective. Application of CDS views in ABAP program as a data source in OpenSQL statements. Developing AMDPs, AMDPs, developing AMDPs, and table function. That's right, no problem. We'll cover all these things anyway. ALB IDA, ALB IDA. What else they expect in the HANA? Code data analysis. Web syntaxes, CDS with AMDP. Wrap, right? Let's see. Wrap programming model as well. Wrap programming model. Both managed and unmanaged scenarios. That this you update to itself. So because and working as internship. So I said we are back consultant. MIRS ID solutions. Bangalore. My current roles of web development or safe objects, where I write the code, the code for reports, interfaces, codes interfaces, conversions, enhancements, and varieties. Where this, let's see, my current role. Okay. Suppose if they ask what your time size, team size. My current team size is 10. Okay, na? So when I have people, if they ask, okay, na? So when I have people, and 3 SAP functional consultants. I will develop programs and I will perform unit testing and also the object deliverables like technical designer, test document preparation, user guide. But let's keep this technology. Okay, na? I have expertise to work in SAP development projects. Okay, you can write like this way. What is, they ask landscape, they will ask the current landscape. Current landscape of the project development, quality, production. Okay, no? So work comes as per the below hierarchy. Client will give the business requirements to the client, to the SAP functionals, and SAP functional consultants prepares functional designs, and that will be converted into technical designs, designs by our team, by our development team. and I will work as a web developer, writing the coding following the project standards given in the document. Either note down or put wherever you need this type of points. Important. Any questions you have? Better if you ask some questions. Interview point of view. Hmm? You will be having some questions with you, right? In you. Any questions? This I will share it to you. Okay, next, I will tell quickly the flow of the model pool program. What is the purpose of model pool program? What is the use of model pool program?
Scheme design.
Scheme design. Yes, basically business transaction codes to develop nothing but create a business T codes. T codes where custom schemes is required. Some schemes is required. We will develop those programs using model pool program. Nothing but screen programming. Nothing but dialog programming. All this is same terminology only. What is the business transaction code? How many types of transaction codes are there? How many types of transaction codes we are having?
Standard, custom.
Standard, custom, that is one type of classification. Basically, otherwise, very broad level, two types. One is technical transaction codes. Technical transaction codes. Otherwise, business transaction codes. The business transaction codes. Right? So purpose is to develop business T codes. We use technical T codes. What is the business codes purpose? Anyone can tell examples of technical T codes. First technical codes. Anyone can tell examples.
SC
What could be the
SC
SC
38,
SC 38,
SC
38,
11,
SC 11,
SC 37,
SC 37,
SC 80,
SC 80, SC
SC
41,
24,
SC 51, SC 24, SC 93, right? What else?
C78,
21.
SC 91, SC 91, smart forms,
SC
right? This is also
SC
technical T codes, right? Smart forms, AFP,
SS,
sorry, SFP for multiple block, sorry, this one
Adobe,
for the Adobe forms. All this is the T code, technical T codes, right? SC 91 also. Okay. What are T codes for business T codes?
MM01,
MM01,
Correct. All this is MM01,
VA01,
BP.
V0, B02, right? BP, business partner,
XK0,
XK01. XK01, they are replaced with BP now in the HANA S4 HANA. V02, right? Create change MM01 now, MM02. Sales orders creation also, right? VA01 now, VA02. All this is business transaction codes.
ME21,
ME21 now, ME22N now, ME23N now here. So who is going to use this business transaction codes?
functional guys.
No,
Functional and technical both.
no, no. Who is going to use this business T codes?
End users,
Perfect. End user, right? Because finally end user only is the person who is going to use this business T codes. We don't. We enable that, so we just create and give it to them. End user. This is end user. He will use this one. This one used by whom? Technical T codes. So
developers,
developers,
developers, nothing but developers. So these are the developers. So, and this is the end users here. So to develop these T codes, you are going to use these transaction codes, help of these transaction codes. Okay. So multiple programming flow is like this. This is business T code. Okay. This is SAP database tables. So backend, this is ABAP program will be there. This is ABAP program. ABAP program. This ABAP program backend will execute when you click on save button here. Suppose when you are creating new material, save here. Data will go and sit here. Through this program. This is a program written backend. Okay. For example, MM01. You go to MM01. right here, if you see, if you go to MM01, right? Suppose MM01 here. MM01 built on which concept? Is model pool or which concept? How do we know that? Anyone think of until
System status.
system status?
MM0.
We go to here, MM status. Program name. Program name. So they are built through the function group. Function group and then screen. How do we know? Copy paste this one. Copy this one. Go to SCAD. We can create programs schemes for three types of programs. One is for report also you can create report, model pool and function group as well. Go to here, choose function group here. This is the function group if I copy paste. This is how the SAP is built. Right here. This is a function group. So under this function group, if you go to schemes, right? This is the schemes they have created. See how many schemes they have created here. These many schemes is created by SAP. Anything you write the code under the screen is called as a multiple program. This is MM01, nothing like that. And you can see all the fields, what you see in MM01 here. Go to here, layout. We go to the layout here, you can see here. This is the first screen, right? Do you remember? MM01 first screen. Right? So from this screen only you build the data, right? You will create. What is screen number? This one? 60. You can check it. Go to MM01 system status. Right? You see system number 60. Right? So this is the concept what how they have built. So we'll create quickly one MM01 tick, one not MM01. First we'll create one basic multiple program. Okay, na? Go to SAP. Right? If I go to here, program, module, May. Enter. Click on yes. What will happen if you choose this option? What will happen if you choose this option?
It will create include.
include.
It will create one more extra program, right? Include program. You can create, choose here, multiple program. Package. Now you can create a decode here. Activate. And create a new screen here. Right click. Create screen. Screen name 100. Material. Data display. Okay. Go to the layout. At here. Suppose I will create one material here. How to place the data here? Anyone remember? In what way we can place the data?
From dictionary.
From the dictionary, right? So go to dictionary, MATNR, Mara table, get from dictionary, Mara table, get from program. Get from, maybe I should get from dictionary. Okay, material number now. Now I'll display some more fields from dictionary. For a given material, I want display created by last change of that material, material type, material group. Enter. So this is the skins data should come based on the material. So I will choose here one push button. Here you can give here display material data. And you can give push button name here, VP1. Double click here. Right? You can give a disk here. Save it. Display material data. Okay. Exit, they will put one button for exit as well to exit from the screen. Here, exit. Push button to exit. Exit. Okay. So I'll give the material number here. Right. What I'm building the flow is, this is the flow I'm building. This is the material number. This is material number. And this is the material data. Material data display. And here, material number, material data display. Here, here, Here push button. Oh, sorry, this is the material data. What fields or whatever that we have placed. Material type. What fields I have placed here. I go to here. Layout. Layout. These fields. Right? Created on, created by, created on, created by, last change, last change, material group, what is the other field I'm taken here?
Material type.
Material,
Material type. Material.
material type, right? Material type and material. Material type, right? So you are displaying this one. When you click on this button here, this is scale number 100. This entire thing is scale number 100 here. This field also is scale number 100. This is also scale number 100 here. And this, if you click on this button, exit button, this is exit. When you click on this button, control should come out of the program. Okay. Every skin will be having two events, PBO and PAI. This is PBO. And this is a PAI. Anyone, what is that one? What is the purpose of this one? Anyone can think of and tell me? What
Process
is the use?
before,
Hmm.
process after input, before
Yes.
before loading the screen and after giving the input
Correct,
of
correct.
this.
On the screen. Now for the push button, where you should write the code in the PAI event here. Right?
Yes.
We'll go and write. Go back. Go double click here, skill. Layout. Flow logic. Right? Uncommented line number 5 to write the code. Uncommented. Go to S. Click on S. Click on S. Now you can write the code here. Select a single. Anyone can tell what code I should write here. So that for a given material number, the click data will come here. If sy sub or c equal to 0. Sorry. Not say sub or c, right? If
IUCOM.
sy hyphen ucom equal to disp, right? Because I go disp.
Yes, sir.
Here I can write select single star from Mara where what I should write here. Anyone can think of and tell me to get the data for this where.
So, name of the screen material
Where
number.
matter equal to Mara hyphen matter, right?
Yes, sir.
Why this array is coming? Check it.
A single.
Spelling mistake. Now what is this error? How to avoid this error?
Inline declaration.
Table statement, right? In the beginning,
Specify the table.
table statement here. Check syntax, right? Now the same way you should write for the exit button also. Else if SY hyphen equal to exit. Leave program. Right? Check syntax. Activate. Now to execute this one, you need business T code, right? We'll create a new business T code. Always model pool, you right click and activate. So that schema and corresponding program will activate both together. Okay. Now create a T code, business T code, transaction code. Get MAS underscore matinfo. 31st May. Enter the data. Enter data. Data display. So you should choose the data transaction. It's multiple. You copy paste the program name here. Here's key number here. Right? Compatibility. Check compatibility. Save it. Package. Execute now. This is the data. So when you choose the material number here, display material data. So data will bring here. You click on exit, it comes. So similar requirement I gave as a homework, not for sometime back, 2 days back, flow. If you remember in our this one. See here, this how it code, this code is, I'll explain the debug mode. We'll put the breakpoint here. That's good. Right, go to material number here and click on display material data. PI event will trigger. This, sorry, PI, this event will trigger. This code will trigger here. That's why you come equal this. How, why this P are using single quotes?
So FCT code we have given this.
Yes, in the scheme level, FCT code we have given. Hence we have got this value as capture. What is the line number 17 will do?
Selecting data.
Selecting data and putting into the scheme fields for the main actually. If you want to assign the default value here, material number, what concept you use? User want get some default value. Suppose material number 100. Where we should write code that? Where do you write the code so that this value will come default? In which event will write? here.
Process
Initial
before output.
Before output, right? Here. You write. How do you write module? Module name m underscore assign default values. Double click here. Click on this. Right? Choosing the same program. Right? What I should write to assign the default value here? Mara M18 are equal to material number 100. Right? Check syntax. Activate now. Now execute the T code. See, by default it came M100, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
We say OU was the default value. Now if we go to specific values, it's material data. Click on display. So the data has come for the new material, but here it is not changed. Why? Why the first position what you have given now? Same value is available when you click on display material data. What is the value I have given? That value only stay. Think of and give me next test solution. Okay. So what you can put also in the resume is write like this. Development programs where there was system requirement from client. Hence, we designed a complete SAP new custom business T code. Write this terminology will be very effective in the resume. Okay, na? We will stop recording here, Ganesh. Shall I stop
Okay,
live
sir.
also?
Yes, yes, sir.